You are watching news broadcast of Sigma Media Lab.
The 9th annual meet of the Press Union Raigad was commemorated at Biju Patnaik Auditorium of the neighbourhood city of Raigad district in Odisha.
आसी पहुंची जाइछंती आम रायगढ़र एही पवित्र भव्य माटी रे जहांकर उपस्थिति निश्चित भावरे आजिर एही कार्यक्रम को रुद्धिमंत करिब जीवंत करिब एवं दिगंत करिब सही प्रयास रे मो विदिशा वर्तमान आमर अतिथि गण को स्वागत करिबी मंच उपर को।
The program culminated in a heart-warming tribute, as participants offered vibrant floral arrangements to the Lord of the Universe, Nath Jagannath, unleashing a wave of positive energy and inspiring all present to embrace this divine moment as a catalyst for meaningful action in their own lives. The principal event was graced by the chief guest Mrs. Itirani Samant, the editor of Kadambini Sahitya magazine, Mr. Nikhil Kumar Gudo, a professor of journalism and mass communication at Koraput Central University, as the chief speaker, whereas the esteemed Saint Shri Dandi Swami Bhaskar Tirth, the president of the Akhil Bharatiya Sangh Samiti, as guest of honor. Alongside Press Union President Mr. Amulya Ratan Sahu and General Secretary Mr. Shivaji Das were on the stage. Initially, Odissi dance instructor Mr. Trilochan Sahu captivated the audience with a stunning performance at the event.
Om
embarking on the program, the students of Raigad Swami Vivekanand Mandir filled the atmosphere with determination and pride as they passionately performed the uplifting song, Bande Utkal Janni, an anthem that calls us to honor and celebrate our rich heritage and to take bold, inspired steps toward building a brighter future. Sri Dandi Swami Bhaskar Tirth remarked that the role of journalists in fostering peace in India is unmatched. He also highlighted the necessity for journalists to consider the societal impact of their written words. Journalists working within their respective regions should prioritize local news coverage, ensuring that they accurately reflect the concerns and interests of the communities they serve. By doing so, they can contribute significantly to social cohesion and understanding among diverse populations. Their responsibility extends beyond mere reporting to actively engaging in dialogues that promote harmony and shared values within society. Chief Speaker Mr. Gudo stated that if issues can be addressed through his writings, the local community can prosper. Every word he puts down has the potential to spark change and inspire others. By engaging with the problems that people face daily, he helps raise awareness and encourages conversations that matter. Not only does he shine a light on these challenges, but he also explores possible solutions that can lead to positive outcomes for everyone involved. This ongoing dialogue fosters a sense of unity and hope, allowing the community to work together toward a brighter future. As more individuals read and relate to his work, they may be motivated to contribute their voices and efforts, further strengthening the collective impact on society.
जहाँ भी पढ़ो पिलामन को क्लासरूम रे जहाँ भी पढ़ो ताहा प्रैक्टिकली इम्प्लीमेंट बहुत कम हो सेटा सांबादिक बंधु माने बुझी पाउथिबे आमे सांबादिकता रो क्लासरूम रे आमे पढ़ाओ सांबादिकतार फंक्शन कौन कि इनफॉर्म करवा एजुकेट करवा परसुएट करवा मोटिवेट करवा चेंज एजेंट हेबा सांबादिक माने किसी पॉजिटिव सो समाज रो किसी पॉजिटिव चेंजेस रे चेंज एजेंट हेबा ताहा देखियो जो अनुभूति कहूची जे सेमती मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया रे किबा बड़ मीडिया रे हेबा कम हो किंतु जहाँ भी होची ताहा लोकल जर्नलिस्ट मान द्वारा ही होची ताहा लोकल जर्नलिज्म द्वारा होची यही आप जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल रे ब्लॉक लेवल रे जो विभिन्न प्रतिकूल परिस्थिति रे आपण माने काम करछंती सेमान को द्वारा होची.
Chief guest Dr. Samant commended the efforts of media representatives, noting that thanks to their remarkable bravery, they can access news from every corner of the nation and beyond in a remarkably short time. She also lauded the public service initiatives undertaken by the press union, which play a significant role in ensuring that crucial information reaches the public effectively. These initiatives not only enhance transparency but also foster a deeper understanding of various issues affecting society. The dedication of the media in covering these stories allows citizens to stay informed and engaged in local and national affairs.
बहु कष्ट एडवर्टाइजमेंट जोगाड़ करी मो दरमा दूसरी मोर सहकर्मी मानक काली सकाଳେ ଯଦି ମୋର ମନ ହେବ ମୁଁ ଆଗାମୀ ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦେବି ତାଙ୍କର ଭବିଷ୍ୟତ କ'ଣ ଏଠି ଯେଉଁମାନେ ସମ୍ବାଦପତ୍ର ବା ପତ୍ରିକାରେ କାମ କରନ୍ତି ସତରେ ତାଙ୍କର ଭବିଷ୍ୟତ ଏମିତି କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଧରାବନ୍ଧା ଭାବରେ ତିଆରି କରାଯାଇ ନାହିଁ.
Mr. Akur Nehek and Mrs. Vishnupriya Nehek were recognized by the press union for their exceptional contributions to service and education, particularly for their daily efforts in feeding the city's stray dogs. Likewise, teacher Mrs. Raj Lakshmi Panda was honored for her significant contributions to education, and the Raigada Lorry Mechanic Association was acknowledged for providing a hearse for funeral services.
Can I have your name and introduction, please?
I'm Dr. Nikhil Kumar Gowda. I'm Associate Professor, Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, Central University of Odisha, Koraput.
We, the members of the Press Union, express our heartfelt gratitude for your presence at the celebration of our 9th annual meet. It is indeed a privilege to have an esteemed individual like you among us. What key points would you like to share that could enhance our career in the unique and responsible role of media?
See, the important thing for press union and especially journalists at the district level is that they are not getting their due, what they deserve. They are not getting what they deserve. The kind of work they are doing in the difficult circumstances, they are not getting their due. So I would request the society and the Government of India, Government of Odisha, that they should ensure that they should get at least some protection in the form of legal protection and social security and remunerations that will motivate them to work fearlessly for the betterment of the society.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Madam, आपका नाम और परिचय देखिए.
मु इति सामंत संपादिका कादम्बिनी मु जड़े साहित्यिका मु जड़े संपादिका मु आसी रायगढ़ प्रेस यूनियन नवम प्रतिष्ठा दिवस आज ये अनुष्ठित होची. बहुत सुंदर उत्सव मुख्य अतिथि भाव में जोग देइथिली. कार्यक्रम सुंदर भाव में आयोजन करा जायथिला. बहुत भल लागला.
मुख्य अतिथि हिसाब से आपनकर उपस्थिति आम मानकर पई गौरवान्वित अटे. एही प्रेस यूनियन सभ्य मान पई आपनकर कोन संदेश रखिबे कि से माने निज निजर चला पथरे सुफल एवं सुकर्म रे अतिक्रम करि परिबे.
निश्चित भाव में आज्ञा गोटे यूनियन जिते बड़े सांबादिक मैंने मिसिकी करिसेंती इटा गोटे सकारात्मकतार लक्षण. तेणु यही भर निश्चित भाव में सकारात्मक भाव थिबो. आज हुए तो अल्प मेंबर थिबे बा बेसी मेंबर थिबे काली की यही भाव में सकारात्मक भाव नहीं करी यूनियन टी सामग्रिक भाव कर चलले. आज मुझे जहाँ देखिली बहुत जन को संबर्धित कराला जो मैंने समाज पाई भल काम करुँच. तेणु मु निश्चित भाव में शुभेच्छा शुभकामना जनइबी रायगढ़ रे प्रेस यूनियन आगु को आहरी भल भल काम करंतु एवं आगे चलंतु.
Your name and introduction, please.
Myself, Amulya Ratna Sahu, Kalinga TV Bureau Head and Press Union President.
Thus, it is with quite appreciation that under your guidance, the 9th annual day of the Press Union Raigad is anticipated to be a splendid occasion. As the President of the Union, what concise message would you wish to share with your union colleagues?
Our Press Union implies the unity, and with this unity, progressive. We are with the people, we are for the society. We have held responsible job in the society that we should stood behind everybody, poorest of the poor, the poorest, most sufferers of the society. It is our solo responsible, and we are performing our duty without any obstacles. And our motto today, we are celebrating our 9th annual function, and we took a oath on this function that we will until our last breath we will serve for the society. We will do something for the society, for the upliftment of the poor, tribal and neglected person of the society.
The gathering was attended by Senior Citizen Welfare Association President Mr. Vinod Panda, Educationist Mr. Dushmant Mohanty, Utkal Alumina Public Relations Officer Mr. Pitambar Behera, Aditya Alumina CSR Head Mr. Tanmay Mohanty, Truck Owners Association President Mr. Yala Venkateshwar Rao, and GIST College Director Mr. Govind Rath. While the program was organized by the association's advisors Mr. Suresh Dash, Mr. Raghunath Samal, Mr. Santosh Panigrahi, Mr. Mrityunjay Nanda and Mr. Amulya Nishank. The editor of Sigma Media Lab English, Mr. Manoj Kumar Mishra, has prepared this report.